So this is just to give you a wee quick demonstration of what's what. So this is just simply, you know, a bit of steel wire, a guitar string in this case. This side here would be connected to the inside of the box, and obviously when I let the helium balloon go, you see this effect. Now the test here was to show that once again, you know, this is going to be encapsulated in a box, and when put in free fall, if everything's accelerating towards the ground at the same time, again, you know, these are the claims that people are making, then this should all remain like the box, like everything else in it. It should remain where it is and all fall to the earth. What we see happening is that the buoyant effect vanishes. Again, showing you that you need the force of the earth pushing upwards to give what we call the buoyant force. Okay, so I'm just going to share the videos with you, and I'll talk a little bit. I'm going to mute the sound on it because of myself and Marty's hilarity, and talk about what we're seeing. So it's quite a short video. There's 3 drops, so there's 2 little videos, and I'll share them right now.
So as we can see here, this is the apparatus setup. You have to excuse me, I'm a bit of a buffoon and I can't help my bloody self. Anyhow,
we're just about to see that the helium balloon is being dropped in the apparatus, and as we can observe right here at this moment, we can see clearly that there is an upward push on the helium balloon which is bending the steel wire upwards. Hang on to take a breath.
and now this is what we're going to witness.
Oh, let me just go back here a little second, catch that for you. As you can see, again, here we can see that the steel wire has straightened itself out. The buoyant effect has vanished yet again. Now remember, people have to claim that the whole system is accelerating towards the earth simultaneously, so there should be no change in any position of anything within the box. But again, the buoyant force overcame the tension of the steel wire, pushing it upwards, and as we put it in free fall, that buoyant force is no longer felt, ergo the steel wire goes back to its original position. As you can see, once Marty's attempted to catch it, I'll not discuss Marty's catching abilities, let's just say that he's not an expert at it. Hey ho. That was his 3rd attempt at trying to pass me the box back upwards. So that was that demonstration. I will get the next one up for you. Oops, let me just go back a little touch. As you can see, immediately as the box is let go in free fall, you can see the steel wire straightening itself back out again under its own tension. The only force present is the tension in the steel wire here, and it goes back to its original position. Once connected again to the earth, you can see here that the position of the steel wire is bent upwards, showing you the direction of the force yet again, and that the force is actually present. And I'm about to do it again. Again, these can be repeated by anybody. You can test this for yourself and test it over and over again, and you will get the same results. And you can see immediately as soon as it's put into free fall, and there's no air there pushing up because the transfer motion of the earth and the air surrounding it is not being felt on the helium balloon anymore. But while it was connected to the earth, the push was still there, because there's a compression of the air inside the box while I'm holding it as I'm connected to the earth. As soon as I release it from my grip, that pressure, it vanishes immediately. There's no upward force acting on the helium balloon anymore, and you can see that the steel wire goes back to its original position. So there you have it. Even helium balloons show for you what is actually going on. Again, cheers to Marty for helping me out with this little project here. Not the greatest apparatus, but it makes the point. And physics is like that. You can use simple materials to display exactly what's going on. So again, I encourage everybody to try that. And again, you can see clearly that the buoyant force, the buoyant effect is only present when connected to the earth. When I release that in free fall, the air surrounding the box cannot exert the same force as the solid ground upon the box. So the buoyant effect vanishes. The compression of air in here is no longer felt and transferred to the helium balloon, pushing it in the upwards direction. As I say, you can see that expressed in the spring, the steel wire going back to its original position. Cheers.